In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Canva for Cricut Design Space. We'll start in Canva and end in Cricut Design Space, keeping everything clean and ready to cut or print. First, open Canva and start a new project with a custom size. For a standard 12 by 12 Cricut mat, set your design to 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches. That half-inch margin keeps your artwork within Cricut's maximum cut area, so what you see in Canva translates neatly to the mat. Next, head to the Elements tab and search for SVG. These graphics scale perfectly without getting blurry, which is ideal for cutting machines. When browsing, look for designs with thick smooth edges and solid color fills. Those features help your Cricut blade follow clean paths and reduce tiny, fiddly details that are hard to weed. If you are adding text, Canva has a huge font library. For vinyl or cardstock, choose bolder, thicker fonts instead of delicate scripts. Heavier fonts cut more reliably and make weeding faster. If you love scripts, pick ones with wide strokes and simple connections to avoid tiny cutouts. When you are ready to export, you have two options. If you have Canva Pro, click Share, then Download, and choose SVG. Check the transparent background option. SVG is the recommended format because it preserves crisp edges, scales without loss, and usually drops straight into Cricut Design Space without cleanup. If you are using the free version of Canva, download a high-resolution PNG instead. Increase the size if available to keep edges crisp. PNGs can work great, but you'll remove any background after you import into Design Space, so plan for that extra step. Now, open Cricut Design Space, start a new project, and click Upload on the left panel. Select your file. If you uploaded a PNG and it has a background, use the Select and Erase tools to remove it until you see the checkerboard pattern, which means transparency. Zoom in to clean small areas so you don't accidentally erase parts of your design. After cleanup, choose your upload type. Pick Cut Image if you are cutting vinyl, iron-on, or cardstock. Choose Print then Cut if you want printed projects like stickers before cutting around the design. This choice tells Design Space how to treat your file on the canvas and later during Make It. Finally, place the image on your Design Space canvas. Use the top toolbar to set the exact width and height to match your project. Keeping measurements consistent with your material and mat ensures a smooth cut and less waste. That's it. Thanks for watching.